Mm, Pause live. We have to start this, man. Bro, right back live. Race Rasta, Yaksta, down live too. Him just bad mind. Yaksta, the boy Yaksta bad mind. Just like Phantom Moja, enough of them will attack Chronics them. Them bad mind so. No, all them bad mind so. Them ever bust nobody? Blood clad. Chronics them bust people and bust them virgin. I wanna say them are LGBT, so why the straight Rasta them not bust straight Rasta? I say anyhow Capleton and Sizzler them and the straight Rasta them from long time they are boss artists and I do what Bounty and Kartel them they do. Reggae music would have stand up at the front of the fucking line. But them Rasta there where we been a get in a reggae music, them love money more than blood clot, anything else. What I say? Them love fame so much, them love the man, them a follow back at them. But them no want take them money where God bless them forget. For invest in them friend them with just as talented too. Zin? So anytime you hear them a lick out about how the music now prosper, them are the main reason why it not prosper. Why you think dancehall a prosper? Dancehall a prosper because it have Kartel in there. Imagine if Bounty never bust Kartel, then Afrobeat would have still a lead, because no Kartel wouldn't exist. You get me? Maybe, we're not sure, because Kartel would have probably still getting break, whether or not Bounty thing there. But we're not going to say that, because we know say Bounty L Kartel, so afraid.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you seeing.
Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah.
One bag of money.
Yard one a foreign. Give me the bird can't tame some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, we mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced.
Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Then pause the live, boy, pause the live just as I start screen record. That boy, you see? Boy, Pablo YG. We say, you see, when bad did do, you can't no bad did do it. That's still viral. Sweet. Pause the live. We have to start this, man. Bro. Right back live. Race Rasta, Yaksta, down live too. Him just bad mind. Yaksta, the boy Yaksta bad mind. Just like Phantom Moja, enough of them will attack Chronics them. Them bad mind so. No, how them bad mind so? Them ever bust nobody? Blood clot. Chronics them bust people and bust them virgin. I wanna say them are LGBT, so why the straight rasta them no bust straight rasta? I say anyhow Capleton and Sizzler them and the straight rasta them from long time they are bust artists and I do what Bounty and Kartel them they do. Reggae music would have stand up at the front of the fucking line. But them rasta there where we been a get in a reggae music, them love money more than blood clot, anything else. What me say? Them love fame so much, them love the man, them a follow back at them. But them no want take them money where God bless them forget. For invest in a them friend them with just as talented too. Zin? So anytime you hear them a lick out about how the music now prosper, them are the main reason why it not prosper. Why you think dancehall a prosper? Dancehall a prosper because it have Kartel in there. Imagine if Bounty never bust Kartel, then Afrobeat would have still a lead, because no Kartel wouldn't exist. You get me? Maybe, we're not sure, because Kartel would have probably still getting break, whether or not Bounty thing there. But we're not going to say that, because we know say Bounty L Kartel, so we have to rate Bounty for that. You see me? So without Bounty, we are going to believe, we are going to just say that there would be no Vybz Kartel. Zin? So Vybz Kartel came and added power to the music industry. You know, for make dancehall can stand up on him free. Enough artists last now. See that? I joined the live. Pablo YG last. You see what I say? And him just about to get some free promotion. I don't know which song him have a drop or what. But all of them artists who did up there when Vybz Kartel lock up, they're now down below. You see what I say? So I may show you say helping each other and I saw the earth run. When you help, you get rewarded. You get me? I said them artists are not get no rewarded because all they have been doing is taking and not giving. And giving a man a 1,000 and a 2,000. It's all about their intention. Because it is not goodness being exercised when a man give $1,000. All when him give $1,000 a million time. The fact that fame intention is for you depend upon him, that is not seen as goodness or kindness. Jamaicans know, say we always believe in making someone a fisherman for can go up on the boat and go catch fish instead of you bring the fish come give them. See? This is what we know Jamaicans been saying. Go teach the man for fish instead of give him fish every day. He might depend upon you. And that is what these reggae artists do. Look on Chuck Fender. Him go take little Jada Kingdom out of school and boss her. Why? That look like some favors exchange. You know what I mean? And that's why enough of them girl in the business like the Star Cashle them and the what you them name? The next one with Popcorn. What's she name? She name something like Mayan. Yeah, Mayan or whatever. See? Them girl are not serious about music. Cause some man them have link with, right? And like the man them get them crutches or the man them want them crutches. And the man them have the source, them have the resources. Zin, we can take anybody in the music. So the producer them help fuck up the music too because them now search for the youth them with the talent. Them a search for some waste girl we can suck them out or some waste girl we look good we are use them. So everybody who in the business contributed to the destruction of the business because they weren't added no value to the business. Vybz Kartel add value. That's why Popcorn is there to hold up the thing. Get me I say? Now Popcorn need to bring somebody where can hold up the thing because Popcorn go rob Animosity. You get me I say? Animosity is such a great artist. Him win fairly and them strip him of his winning title and give to Quada. And you see how Quada career work out? Just one song him find like Yaksta. You get me I say? Just one song. We don't know another song for Quada. You get me I say? Move and go every day, hypocrite. Big song. You get me I say? Every other song a tush we poop. Just like Yaksta, just like Dovey Magnum. And some want it to under them. You see me, them not have the intelligence to find the song them, for construct them like what artists them before. And them I say I fight them, but they're not qualified. And the people them in the industry are them. The man them before them knew you to help mash up the business. And when I talk about Kartel and Bounty, cause them help the business. Those are the one we should be lifting up for what them do. You get me? I said, me know we beat Bounty. Yes, we beat him, of course, for what him do wrong. At this Kartel and diss him. Him forget beating. When anybody do wrong, them forget beating. So that make the onlookers, them and the viewers, them say, yeah, if you come do the same thing, pussy, I'll get beaten too. You see me? I say? So it is very important that parents discipline them child. We can't discipline Bunty, so we have to beat him for make the pagan them see if them commit the same mistake, them will get beaten too. That's why people forget beaten on the internet. But every time the Gaza nation beat somebody, you have the bugger haters them, and you have Gaza people where I fight against Gaza people when them are beat the people them with this cartel. That's why I'm sure you see Gaza fuller. The Gaza is infiltrated with a lot of undercover haters. We go on like say them as say Gaza. But the only reason why them as say Gaza is because them want them on the winning side, and them know say Gaza is the winning side. Nobody now go really want to sign up for a losing side. But them not real and them not pure to the Gaza. They don't know why. There's no valid reason behind them following the Gaza. And I like say them rate Vybz Kartel or them rate. They just feel better to know that they're on a winning side. And you hear them in the street, Gaza, I say. And then when them lose focus of where them are do, because them not true to what them are say, so eventually them are go fall off track. And you hear them might go, this the Gaza. Alright, you see me? I saw come see two Gaza people are this Gaza fans them because, and them say them are Gaza people. Because true, the Gaza fans are beat the mosquito. Because this is all enough for them operate, you know. They have no problem when people say the worst thing about cartel, you know. But as soon as Gaza nation defend cartel, we are the problem. Even Gaza people must say do the same foolishness for bring down Gaza. And you can't bring it down, you know? I never see an alkaline fan, a lick out pan the next alkaline fan, and I say, yo, have madness here talk. All when a shit, because I be a shit the vendetta them have to talk. Because them always try to compare for them small artists to a big Vybz Kartel. And you have to go live to make that make sense, for make that seems like it makes sense to people. You have to use lying. Because I know like say the vendetta fans them just applaud alkaline and rate him, you know. Them always use cartel for measure up, because guess what, cartel are the biggest thing. So them a go want a line for them liquor artists with the biggest thing for make for them artists seems like the biggest thing. You see me? If you notice, Gaza uncle not really talk about alkaline and them fans, you know. Gaza uncle, if Gaza uncle talk about our next artist, because them violating our way, some violation go on, that's why we mention them. But every day alkaline fans them live on cartel name and cartel not do them nothing. You see me I say? Cartel don't do one thing. You see me I say? Yeah. And then people are going to say, we'll call them beat alkaline. I see all Triple X. Triple X is a fool to, you know. You're a Triple X, do know. Triple X, I talk about alkaline, create him own music and another dancehall. Him fool your fuck. And not nice make alkaline career possible. Because without the help of not nice. See, why you think Popcorn hate not nice field? Because without not nice, alkaline couldn't be where him be. And then the alkaline fans, them not grateful at all for not nice strength. They don't grateful. And that to the Gaza, we grateful for who help cartel reach where him reach. But yes, we are going to beat Bunty when him fuck up, but we still give Bunty him respect when it is necessary. When we are discuss who boss who, we're not going to be biased and left for Bunty name. Despite the fact that him get him beating when him forget it. So me I say, I see people in my comment talk about we not no right for beat Bunty because of WORLDBOSS cartel. The batty bomber all them they say Black Rhino shouldn't this cartel because cartel boss him. You see all them hypocritical ways. Them have no problem with when Gaza Kim at this cartel. You know hear them say Kim a cartel boss you so shut your mouth. You know hear them say Black Rhino a cartel boss you shut your mouth. When cartel boss these people and them this cartel, the people them never ever once say. They say members say cartel boss, you're not right for say so. But now when it comes to Bunty, Gaza people not for say nothing because Bunty boss cartel. You see how them hypocritical and them feel for see them biasness, them feel for know say that are one of the biggest in the Bible talk about partiality and biasness. God know all that. That's why God tell the children say obey your parents so that your days may be long. But yet still God tell the blood clot their parents them to love one-sided and promote that one pitney line there to them pitney. And no one them pitney for know say God made it clear say parents don't allow your children to wrath, meaning don't upset your children them. You see me I say? And basically, when we break that down, it means the parents them not abuse them pitney wrongfully and all them thing there. Deal with the pitney fair and honest. Make them know say you're wrong this time, parents. You're a mother and you're wrong this time. Tell your pitney say they're sorry sometime. As father, I want to tell you no pitney say them sorry. Jamaican father and mother them will never tell them pitney say them make a mistake or them sorry. Them shame and them full of so much pride. And that's why Jamaica for mash up. That's why the youth them have to come so crass. Because it start from the beginning where the parents them let them bumbuckle down. And just one-sided and not tell them pitney say, God say, you for respect me come here your parents. But them not tell them pitney say, God said, them bumbo will we experience they for respect them pitney too and make the thing balance. You see me I say? Yes. That's why the youth them come so, because the parents them feel. If the parents them never feel, them youth of today wouldn't be the way how they are. And try to know that. So when you are hate on the youth them nowadays, try to know say uno from them time they feel them. When you see the business, the music business mash up now, because the big players them were chronics them and enough of them always are big up. The Capleton and the Bunty and the all of them contributed to the tearing down of the music. Notice the name who them always want big up in the music. The ones them where them always want recognized as the legend. And them always left out Kartel. And that's why God bless Kartel. Because you see when man a plan and man have them agenda, God do things different and make uno know say uno not control nothing in this earth a pussy. So uno can call Capleton, Sizzler, Bushman, all type of man and say them are the real legend. But the people them know a Kartel got suck uno mama. And that is a diss for Chronics too. Because Chronics know him should have big up Kartel in some of them songs them do. Big up Capleton, big up Yellow Man and big up. That is a hypocritical move. So anytime me for big up Chronics, you gotta hear me big him up. And when me for bash him, me bash him. Just like when a parent should hug up them child and love them up. Different from the time when them for beat them and whip them. Because if the parents them not beat them pitney and beat out the thief where them see them kids are thief and the bad habit. I'm not say if you kill them with lick neither. Then you don't even have to beat them. Punish them. Come see a video with a woman or a mother from America. Video go viral. She make her son take up in PlayStation 5 and slam it in the ground. And me also blame the mother there because she wait till her son becomes so rude and she wait till it's so late. Fish punish him like that. And at that the parents them a do. And let me tell you what these parents do. You see when them punish him at one time like that now, them allow the pitney to get back to that bad level of disobedience. Because you see, if you not correct them regularly, it don't make no sense you ever correct them one time. It don't even make sense. You have to dip on them tail until them say, yo, yeah, you remember give up. Me go just be good for the rest of my life, yeah, man. I saw it go. I was a child. I remember the mentality. If my mother now continuously correct me, I go think say, yeah, man, she okay, you know. She not follow that up. You see me? So, but then I know my mother beating her punishment make me a good youth still, you know. Me's a good youth from birth because me attracted to good people, me attracted to doing good naturally. You get what I say? Yeah. But you have some people, you can shape them into being good people until them go out into the world and go change themselves, go decide what they want to do. But you have to make sure as parents, you raise them up to be good people. And when we say good people, and I mean say, you pitney them supposed to take any advice from anybody a road and go do what people tell them to do a road. No, you have to tell your pitney, teach them how to stand up against people a road. And teach them how to protect themselves from the people who might use them and them thing there. You have to prepare your youth. You have to share all of the knowledge them what you have as parents to your youth them. Or most of the knowledge them what you have because they need it. Because this what the same adult them do to each other as big people, you know, is the same thing the kids do to each other. That's why sometimes you have to wonder if enough adults not really grown up because the same unfair and curmudgeon and conniving and deceitful style where some of these adults be pulling as adults. And the same thing remember Pitney used to do to me as kids at school, in even basic school. So my sister, enough of them adults you don't really have no sense. And of them have Pitney too. Say them are raised and say them are mother and father. But them brain space shallow. You know what I mean? When you know what can fix all of them shallow and dunceness and evilness that where them have? Just love. Just be true to yourself. Just do what the good thoughts that come to you when you make a decision. Work with a good thought. And you need to have intelligent people around you because sometimes things and the decision we have to make is more complicated. So when you have intelligent people on your side now, them will help you to decide and go about how to choose the decision that presents itself before you. And then now with getting that advice, you'll now become more wiser because you learn from that decision in the past, and which you're going to lead into other decisions similar to that, until there's a more complicated decision you have to make, and then that's how you get wiser, because life tests you, and this is how you show intelligence to the world. You know what I mean? So we're gonna end this, yeah, so because Pablo YG not really give you nothing for run with for say, yeah, I mean I give him free promotion. Idiot. You see me? Cartel run the globe. World